Hello, I've given this video the title Lock and Leave Houseplants, and you'll see in a moment why that's the case. I suppose the question I'm asking here is, what can you do if you don't have the time or the inclination or the ability to look after houseplants? Perhaps you have a job or a lifestyle which takes you away from home a lot, or maybe you're so busy, possibly caring for a relative or working, that you just don't have time to give the houseplants the care and attention that they need. Well, here we have potentially a brilliant solution to that problem, which allows you to have the look and feel of wonderful houseplants and flowers around the home with zero care and attention. All of these plants that you're looking at are fake and or artificial, and yet they really do give the feeling around the home that there is living vegetation. It brings colour and it brings interest to the space. Here we see 3 plants being used as a grouping in a vase, and that's a little tip there. I think an odd number of plants is always a good idea rather than an even number. You can see up close that the plants are not real, but that really doesn't matter, because who focuses in that closely? From a distance you get a great effect. And these are underplanted with little orchids, again fake but beautiful and delicate and intricate, and you can see that a mirror has been used here for great effect to give the feeling of space and depth. Look at these wonderful orchids, again all fake, but you wouldn't know it from a distance. Here are a few tips that I would share with you if you want to go down this road of filling your house or apartment with fake artificial plants. Number 1, get the most expensive ones you can afford. These are not cheap plants, but when you think about the life that these will give you over many years, if you divide the cost by the number of years, they are great value. So go for expensive ones if you possibly can. Number 2, don't place them near a bright source of natural light, because the natural light will fade them over time. So place them in a shady corner, or possibly close the blinds or curtains if you're going to go away, just to protect the colours in the plants. Why not consider making a feature out of some artificial blooms by wrapping them around the inside of a vase, or some bamboo shoots or grasses for height? It really does give a great effect, and as I say, from a distance you just wouldn't know that these were not real. So there we go, some ideas and some tips for bringing vegetation to your home if you don't have the time or the ability or the inclination to look after real houseplants. Why not use lock and leave houseplants? In other words, fake artificial plants like these. Let me know your thoughts in the comments box below this video, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.